Installing the fuser maintenance kit in the Lexmark T650, 652, and T654 series printers. Turn your printer off and allow it to cool for 30 minutes before beginning the procedure. Switch off your power and remove the power cord. You can remove the fuser cover wick, grasp the clip, squeeze that, and it lifts out. Open your rear exit cover. There's a strap. Twist the strap and slide it out of the slot. Lift the cover off the rear of the printer. There are two tabs on the exit guide. Push those down. Folds open on a hinge. Push the hinges forward and they snap out of their slots. The fuser has two green tabs on it on each side. Press those in and the fuser slides out. Your new fuser will ship with two wedges that remove the spring tension from the rollers. Remove those wedges first, then take your new fuser and slide it in. It'll snap in with a click and your green spring-loaded tabs will lock in. Take your exit guide, snap it in on the hinges down below, snap in the clips on the top. Take your rear exit cover, snap it in on its hinges, and the strap will go into its slot and give it a twist. Then close your rear exit door. Take your fuser cover wick, slide it in, match the green tab, and it drops in. Open the front of your printer and remove the toner cartridge. The charge roller will need to be replaced. There is a tool that you can use as a lever that lifts that charge roller out. On the right, it will snap out of its slot. You can pull that charge roller out on the right, and the left side will come out of the bushing. If you don't happen to have a tool, you can always use a very small flat blade screwdriver. Just insert it under the metal portion of the shaft on the transfer roller. It will lift out. Your new transfer roller will have paper on it. There's a paper tab. Leave that toward the front. Drop it in on the left bushing. Snap it down on the right, and then pull the paper. If you happen to lift the transfer roller out, just snap it down in by pressing on the gear. Don't ever touch the surface of the transfer roller. Now if you push your front cover down, you notice the charge roller will lower. You can push that to the left and drop it out on the right side, and then the left side will come out of the guide. Take your new charge roller. Again, there's paper on that. Leave that on. Push your guide down by pushing down the top cover. Drop that into the guide on the left. Then you can snap it in on the right, spread that guide, and it'll drop in, and then pull your paper. Again, don't touch any of the surfaces on the charge roller. Reinstall your toner cartridge. Close your top cover, front cover, and then remove the paper tray. Once your paper tray's out, you'll see the pick arm has two rollers. Drop that down, and there's a tab on the end. You can press that tab. It will release the roller. There's only one way the roller can go on. It's blocked on one side. And there's a groove on the shaft. Line the groove up on the shaft with the groove in the tire. And then snap that tire back on. You can change those tires, and if you have additional paper trays, you can change those tires as well. Reinstall your paper tray, and then we will power the printer on. Hold down the check and the right arrow, and then turn the printer on. And you'll see dots on the menu. Keep holding down the check and the right arrow until you see the memory reading show up on the display. You'll be entering the config menu. Once you see the memory message, you can release your fingers from the check and the arrow. It's about 10 seconds. Alright, once you see the config menu, you want to hit the down arrow to reset count, press check, and then press check again. It'll say resetting maintenance count. Once that's done, it will take you back to the config menu, and you want to hit the down arrow until it says exit config menu, and then press check. Your printer will reset, come up to the ready state, and the procedure is complete.